So hello, my name is Glenn and welcome back to another World Coin Hunt. So this is part of the 4 kilo collection. I only do them in small lots so it doesn't overwhelm people who actually watch these videos. So the first thing you need to know is if you want to identify the coins, most of the time they have the name of the country on the actual coin. So this is an Indonesian coin from 2003. Still circulates, but they changed the coin design in 2016. This one's pretty much uncirculated. I might swap that out for the one I do have. 500 rupiah, equivalent to about 5 cents. Large aluminium coin, and I believe this might be the largest aluminium coin in circulation. Although I'm not too sure if the Djibouti aluminium 5 francs is still in circulation. That is because in the Pacific, the French changed the 5 aluminium, which was the largest coin, to a smaller coin that they issued last year. So another thing, if you want to identify the coins, so Swedish, you're not too sure, use CoinScope. So all you need to do is get the coin, you put it underneath. Okay, so let me see if I can do this after I zoom out. Okay, so you want to identify the coin, make sure there's no other coins in the actual field. Then you just take a photo. Yeah, it's searching for the actual coin, so if you're not too sure. And this one comes up with Swedish 5 krona. So, and it does work for, okay, so here we have another coin. Okay, so this coin here, what is this one? This is an older coin. It's about 1,200 years old. So does that have any information on it? Nope. Okay, so CoinScope doesn't work on every coin. It's an Indo-Sassanid coin anyway, so if I can do the other side. So the quality minting on that coin is not that good. I believe that the actual flan, so this part here, so the whole coin's been squashed before they minted it. And no, it's not coming up with anything. So that's where you would have to go to Numistar to actually find the actual coin itself. So, okay, that's too much mumbo jumbo. So we have seen the first coin was an Indonesian one, and here we have a Swedish coin. So this is from 2004. These were also replaced in 2016, so it's no longer legal tender. But it's a large copper nickel 5 krona, roughly equivalent to $1. So that can go in the European section. Okay, let's grab a bunch of coins. So the next one is a previous issue from the Philippines. This one is well circulated. As you can see, it's quite damaged. This is a copper nickel version, 1 peso. Pretty much just face value of 2 cents. Then we have the current coin of Taiwan. So this one is the $10. And if we, got a flower in there. So we have $10 on the top. Should say $10. So this one is the flower. So the emblem of Taiwan also has the coat of arms. Oh, not the coat of arms, the map of Taiwan. Now there you go. So there's the map. Henman at the top. You turn it this way, has the flower. Oh no, it says Taiwan Republic up the top, not the denomination. And here we have Sun Yat-sen. So this is year 103. If we put 11 on it, it should be 2014. So that's the current circulating coin you'll get in Taiwan, equivalent to 50 cents. Then we have a current, is this? No, it's the previous coin of Fiji. They still circulate. Last year, 2010. And equivalent to about 5 cents. Nickel plated steel. So if you go to Fiji, you'll probably get these in your change. There's no reason to actually remove those from circulation. And another Filipino one piso. This one's a better version, so this one's the nickel plated steel version. So I'm just going to dump these on top of each other. So we've got Asian. Okay, then we have a South African 50 cent, 2006. So each year they change the language on the coins. So if you want to collect a type set, you need to collect them every year. And you can also get rotated coins. I find quite a few rotated South African coins. And we have a Bird of Paradise's flower, one that I have out front, my front yard. Yep, that seems to be a rotated coin. If we turn it around, yeah, definitely rotated. So that's an error coin in itself, and that one is going on the market as an error coin. Okay, current coin of New Zealand, nickel plated steel. Generally, I don't find these as rotates. Most of these coins that you'll see, I've never found rotated coins of most of them. Okay, worth about 50 cents. And I sell sets of these for 10 cents to $2 for about $10. They seem to go okay. Okay, nickel plated steel coin with a coffee pot, 2012. That's 1433, should I say. United Arab Emirates, the largest denomination you actually use in that country. About the same size as a 10-cent coin. Has a face value of about 40 cents. Okay, previous coin of Malaysia. And we have lots of, looks like lots of fruit in there. I hope that's not pandan. And 2008. And equivalent to about 6 cents. Okay. Oh, what I forgot to say is that if I don't say a denomination, then it's probably worth $1 or less. Okay, another coin from Fiji, previous 10-cent coin, nickel plated steel, with the war club on it. Then we have another piso. So there's a lot of Filipinos in Australia, lots of people from Fiji as well. So that's where a lot of these coins probably do come, as well as a lot of Australians do travel over there for tourist purposes. So bit of both. Okay, current coin of Singapore, first year of issue, 2013. This is a 50 cent. I quite like these coins. It looks like I'm going to be able to get a full set of these. I just need the 5 cent, which was probably the harder one to get. So equivalent to about 50 cents. And has the tiger, a lion of Singapore, as well as a port scene. Quite nice. Not really hard to get. Okay, then we have a current coin of Switzerland. 2 francs, roughly equivalent to about $2 to $3, depending on the exchange rate. Not the highest coin. The highest coin is a 5 franc. But generally, you don't get 1 or 2 franc coins in these lots. And I actually got usually the mintage is quite low for these, probably 1 to 5 million. Here's the 1 franc, so this is a 92. So these are both copper nickel. And the silver coins are pretty much the same. Is there any more Swiss coins? Okay, here's 1980. This one's, so we have 2 different rotations on these ones. So obviously they use metal rotation now, but previously they used coin rotation. That was on the half, 1, 2 and 5 franc. The 5, 10 and 20 rupiah have always been metal rotation. So this is probably worth about $5 or $6 in the exchange rate. But very interesting to get those. And another Singapore coin, previous series of flower, 2007. You'll find the mintages all on Moonlister. Let me get all these Singapore coins out. So here's the current 20 cent. Yep. So we've got And as far as I know, both of these still circulate. Georgie comes from Singapore, so he can actually give us more information on that. Then we have a 5 cent, the previous versions. This is the aluminium bronze. Oh no, this is a nickel plated bronze. So that's the current coin. Is there any more Singaporean coins that we have? No, yeah, we have a 10 cent, the previous version. We have a 10 cent, the current version. Obviously, Singapore is a stopover for Australians going overseas, so I'm not surprised that these actually can be found in these coin lots. They're also quite common. Okay. Oh look, I've got a rare coin. Not 2012 5 cent. I don't know why that was in there, but anyway, no, not an error coin. Going back in the change. Okay. Then we have current UK 1 penny. Not too sure why UK coins are not too common in this. A lot of Australians do like to go to UK. This is 2010 with Elizabeth II. Probably 200 to 300 million minted. So pretty common. Then we have a damaged coin of Egypt. I think that's Faisal. They 10 millimeters. Someone definitely damaged that. Generally, in undamaged condition, these are worth about $5, but in this condition, not really worth that much. Another UK coin. So this one's corroded, 1990, first year of issue, so about 1 billion minted. So not worth much, exchange rate, which is about 10 cents. Okay, Canadian, 2008, nickel plated steel, 25 cent. I like that. So this is the current design that they use. Although 2023 they'll probably change over the Monarch. And here is the $1, so the loonie with the coat emblem of Canada. So this is, I think it's brass plated steel, 2012. Yeah, worth about $1. So I've got a $1.25 there. Then we have a 1 dime or 10 cent coin from the United States. So this design is the current one they're minting now. They have pretty much changed all the other designs on the coins, but this one they have not. And they're worth about 15 cents. D for Denver, it's a mint mark. And I've got a whole set of current Chinese coins. So these changed in 2009. So I've got 1 Jiao, 5 Jiao, 1 yuan. So this is the 1 yuan's worth about 20 cents. There's the current exchange rate. So I've got 20, 30, 32 cents there. And you can use these. Although the current coins, they changed the 5 gel from this nickel plated steel to brass plated steel to nickel plated steel. All the coins are the same metals. But you should still be able to find these in circulation in China if you ever want to go there. Then we have a previous coin of Finland. So these are taken in circulation when they introduced the euro in 2002, 1972. This could be a low mint, so you need to look it up. And as Suman Tessa Balta, so Finnish Republic, and Marker. And this one has an inscription on the side. Then we have a 5 cent of Fiji, 1998 current. So this is the current size of the 5 cent they use now, but they just don't put the milling on the side. So I'd say it'd probably still be in circulation. Then we have a current coin of Taiwan. This one has seen little circulation, still has a lot of mint luster. So 2102, so it's 2013. There's Chiang Kai-shek on it. Equivalent to about 5 cents. And the lowest denomination you're going to use in Taiwan. Then we have the lowest denomination, is it the lowest? Oh no, the second lowest in South Africa for Protea plant flour. A 20 cent coin. 1994. So this is the English and Afrikaans version. Currently, they just put all different types of languages on it, equivalent to about 2 cents, and with all that crap on it, probably not worth much over that. Okay, coin that we don't see that much. So this place is not a tourist place for Australians, but we do have quite a few people from Papua New Guinea here, and that's the correct rotation there. So this is a 2015 Port Moresby 15th Pacific Games. So it's got Papua New Guinea there, 50 Toa, Iwa, or whatever they pronounce it. Here's the emblem, so the bird of paradise on a drum with a spear, 50 Toa, Papua New Guinea. It's milled. So currently, in 2021, they issued a standard coin for this. So most of the 50 Toas were just all commemorative coins, and there is no mintage figures. Worth about $4 to $5 in that condition. Then we have, Iceland. Can't remember what, is that a cod? Don't know. So 100 krona, the highest denomination you can use in Iceland. This is 2001. And as you can see, it has the 4 guardian beasts of Iceland. So you've got the giant eagle, got the serpent, dragon, got the bull, and just the giant. So they protect the 4 corners of Iceland. 800 krona might sound similar to English. Well, English and Icelandic are Germanic languages, so quite not closely related. About 2,000 years removed. And I believe that Icelandic is the closest to, is it Non? Whatever the language that the Vikings spoke. So that's equivalent to about $1 in the exchange rate. Then we have a Thai coin with, so it's probably a 2 baht with Rama the 9th. It's aluminium bronze. And it's milled, so it's probably seen some circulation. Surprised these circulate. Oh yeah, 2 baht coin. So the earliest coins from nickel plated steel, or copper nickel, but they changed over. Well, probably worth about $1 or 2. Then we have a Fijian $1. Takamoli, so the storage vessel. 95, first year of issue. I think there's like 2 million of these minted. But in this grade, probably only face value, which is about 50 cents. Then we have a current coin of Malaysia. So this is a 5 cent, 2014. And it's still worth about 1.5 cents. So quite nice. Then we have another UAE coin as before, but that's 2005. The highest coin in South Korea. It has a crane on it. And I could be wrong about that bird. And this is a 500 won, so worth about 60 cents roughly. And the last coin is a Fijian smaller $2 that you shouldn't find in circulation because people mistake this one for the $1 coin. But still should not be hard to get. Anyway, out of those, the only ones that I'm going to keep are the 500 rupiah in this era coin. So anyway, hope this helps you with your coin collecting and have an awesome coin and banknote collecting time. Thank you very much and check out my links and goodbye.